3, 4, go. Well, hello friends, my name is William. Welcome to Rewake videos. I'm so excited that you are with us. Before we do anything else, please hit the subscription button and that notification button so that I can continue on making these videos. You know, it encourages me whenever I see people subscribing, whenever I see people hitting that notification button, whenever I see people commenting and watching our videos, and it makes me want to make more. As you know, I have released, or we have started, a Tuesday special, so you don't want to miss that, where we give you advice on investing, how to invest, where to invest, when to invest, why to invest, and so forth. And on Thursday, I'll be giving you tutorials on specific things that you want me to give you tutorials on, especially when it comes to EasyEquities, because when it comes to tutorials, we're still on season 1, so season 1, we're talking about EasyEquities a lot. So today I have 5 steps that can help you turn 2,000 Rand to 480,000 Rand. And there are no tricks, there are no lies. I'm not expecting anything from you. What I'm saying to you, that it is possible for you to turn 2,000 Rands and turn it to 480,000 Rand. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit that notification button. Please comment down below. Communicate with me. What type of tutorials do you want me to make when it comes to EasyEquities? What is it that you don't understand? And so that I can be able to make that video for you next week. So stay tuned. Views and opinions expressed on this audio or video are not and should not be considered as financial advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor and not registered with FISCA. So guys, today I have 5 steps that will help you turn 2,000 Rand to 480,000 Rand. So as you know, I'm not a Forex guy. As you know that I'm not a digital trading guy or binary trading guy. I am a stocks guy. I am a shares guy. I am a person who believes in long-term investment. So if that's what you believe, I want you to stay tuned, and I want you to be able to get a gist of what I'm saying, so that you can be able to grow in your finances and be able to pay that bond, pay that car, and pay off your debt. Okay, so today I have 5 steps to helping you turn 2,000 Rand to 480,000 Rand. And step number 1 is thus: install investing.com app on your phone. So install investing.com app on your phone. That app will help you, giving you information of international stocks and trading, so that you can be able to understand what is happening in our economy globally. I'm talking about global economy, and also our economy in South Africa, or also Africa, where our money is going, and so forth and so forth. So when you install that app, it will give you information on where to invest, how to invest, how much you can invest, and how much you might make profit from your dividend yield. So that app is very important. You can get that app on your Google App Store. You can get it on your iPhone ISO. You can get it anywhere. You can also check out on your desktop. Just go online and just search investing.com, so that you can be able to get the information. The second step is thus: visit dividendranking.com. Visit dividendranking.com, especially for South African companies. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to use investing.com app for South African economy, South African companies, and seeing which companies are really having a really big breakthrough, and where you can invest for the next 10, 20 years. And go to step number 2, which is dividendranking.com. Combine the information from these two. So if you found a particular company that is new on the JSE, just check if it's going to pay dividends on dividendranking.com. And after that, you can make a calculated decision whether you want to be able to invest in it. Step number 3 is invest 2,000 Rands every month in 12 companies for the first year. So for the first year, you're going to be investing every month 2,000 Rand in different companies. So you're going to use invest.com and dividendsranking.com to find 12 companies that you want to invest in. And after that, for the next 12 months, you'll be investing 2,000 Rands in each and every one of them. So you'll be investing 2,000 Rand in each and every one of them. So let me see. 2,000 times 12. So at the end of the year, you would have invested 24,000 Rands. Okay, so remember that we're looking for companies that are paying dividends so that you can be able to make money, whether it's every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months, depending on the company when they give out dividends. So you're going to find 12 companies from invest.com and dividendsranking.com, and after that, you're going to invest 2,000 Rands every month in those companies. So for the first year, that's the first year. So you have invested in 12 companies, and now for the next 20 years, you'll be reinvesting 2,000 Rands. Well, firstly, you'll be investing 2,000 Rands every month for 20 years in those companies, and also you're gonna hit that button that says reinvest in EasyEquities so that it can reinvest your money so that it can be able to grow. Number 4, which is very important, don't fall into forex trading. Don't fall into forex trading. Don't hesitate and say, hey, maybe I'm not making more money. Maybe I should go to forex trading. Forex trading can be a fraud in a way, because at the end of the day, remember that you're buying and selling currencies. You don't know if you are actually going to make money. So you can lose as much as beyond what you have planned for or whatever you have thought, so you can lose more money than you can make. So these people, they won't tell you, forex traders won't tell you how much they're losing, but they will always tell you how much they're making, even though they don't share to you how much they are losing. And when it comes to stocks and shares, it's much more safer, because if the company breaks down, the first people to get paid it's debt, then it's investors, then the rest, so don't fall into forex trading. Don't fall into forex trading. And number 5, always research for better investment opportunities. Always research for better investment opportunities. Every time as you reinvest your money and as you invest 2,000 Rand for the next 20 years, okay, make sure that you are looking for other places where you can invest your money. Remember, EasyEquities helps us so that we can be able to have more information and total control over our investments. But if you feel like you want to, control what you have invested, remember, when you save 2,000 Rand, 2,000 Rand every month for the next 20 years, you're going to be able to have 480,000 Rand. Okay. So, if you were to, you're going to be able to have control over your money with EasyEquities. But step number 5 simply says that if you find better opportunities, stick to the one that that we're talking about right now, and also take the extra money that you have to people that are registered by FISCA, FCSA, people that are that can give you financial advice and be able to help you to invest money so that you can be able to make more money. So basically, those are my 5 steps, but don't go away, because I want to also show you how or where you can invest your money when it comes to ETFs. Welcome back. So guys, what we're gonna do is that you're gonna go to your EasyEquities platform, which is EasyEquities.com. So when you get there, you are going to click on your EasyEquities ZAR. So we are speaking in a place whereby you already have the 2,000 Rands, okay? But if you don't have it now and you want to learn more about EasyEquities, you can just simply go with me on Demo ZAR. So this is a demo money that EasyEquities lends you so that you can be able to play around with it. It doesn't exist, it's just electronic. So you're going to click on your EasyEquities ZAR every month. Then after that, you're just going to go to, so there are different tabs whereby you can choose which one you want to invest in. You can invest in equity, ETFs, ETNs, crypto, baskets, and bundles. But for those that are returning, they know that I don't like cryptocurrency. I don't like investing in it, but other people are for it. So if you're for it, goodies. So you're going to click on, we're going to make an example with an ETF. So we're going to click on ETF. Then after that, we're going to look for ETFs that, property ETF. We're going to look for property ETF. Okay. As you can see, Cetrix is one of good ETFs in South Africa, and they have property ETF. So since we are not sure, let's look property. Let's search for property. So we see that one investor as well is good, can be better, but good. SA property can be better. Core shares. We know that ABSA is good when it comes to property, okay? But new funds, Rateway, global property. So let's click here. Maybe we can invest here 2,000 rands, our first 2,000 rands. As you can see, it is selling at 78 rand, rounding it about, and buying at 79 rand, rounding it, and last price was 78 rand. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check on Max how it's been performing for as long as they can tell us. So since 2021, the 26th of May, it has been performing quite well. But there was a dip. I don't know what caused this dip, but I guess it was just one day. Oh no, it wasn't one day. It's impossible. Impossible. So there was a dip, but they recovered on the 5th, I think. Then they kept on going up, and there was a minor dip here, as you can see. So if you have invested here and you saw this, you lost money. So you have to wait until it kicks back up again so that you can be able to withdraw. But basically, we are planning to invest here, okay? So what we're going to do is that we're going to check out what this ETF entails, so that we can know what we are investing on. So let's see, ETF information, fund type, ETF, inception date, real estate, okay, asset class, it's real estate, so it's issues of real estate. So you know that property, you're going to make money, especially as a South African, and it's a global ETF. So no, I don't want to download. Okay, let's visit their website. Okay. Right. So people that invest in this basically 35 to 54. Oh, no. 18 to 34, 667. So young people invest on this, and also middle aged people. Yeah, that's great. So let's go here and let's see. So it's solemnly based on equity. So they buy shares. Is it portfolio data? Basket value 7 million. Is it 7 million? Yeah. Market capitalization 112 million. Unit total 1.5 million. Distribution and costs, yeah. Okay, max management fee 0.69. Alrighty, let's go back to overview. It's actually moderate, so you can make money. Domicile, so South Africa. currency, ZAR, of course. What I'm looking for is, I hope that they would give us more information on where they bought their shares, but seems like they're not giving us that. Okay. There's the primary objective of the ETF is to track and replicate a rule-driven market liquidity-based index, which aims to outperform traditional market cap weighted comparatives. Okay, the ETF is designed to give investors rand-dominated exposure to a portfolio of global listed property stocks from this is what I was looking for. One of the things that I was looking for: America, Asia, Pacific, and EMEA regions. Okay, so Grady. Okay, stocks are selected based on property fundamentals, price momentum, and trading values measured in USD over a 12-month trading period. The index is created and maintained by Global Property Research, a registered benchmark administrator under the European benchmarks regulation based in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. The construction of retail. Okay, don't. So basically it's a property thing. Okay, so let me just see what they're saying here. Okay, they didn't give us information, but it's fine. So basically, if we are interested in investing in this because we know that we might make profit due to the information that they've given us, so our aim is to be able to invest 2,000 Rand every year. That means in every year we'll be adding 2,000 Rand to this particular ETF, okay, for the next 20 years. So for the next 20 years, we'll be investing in this ETF. So that means that at least, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm calculating in my head, we're talking maybe 40,000 rands. 40, yeah. Let me just take out my calculator. Multiplied by 20 equals, okay, yes, it's 40. So if we were to invest 2,000 Rand every year for the next 20 years here, so we get 40,000 Rands that we have saved or invested with this ETF. Okay, so we do that. If we are impressed, then we buy now. Okay. So as you can see, it was 6 Rand extra, 6 to 7 Rand extra. So now you do that every year. You do that, okay? So that means that when you take the strategy that I'm giving you, so every month you'll be investing 2,000 Rands, okay? You'll be investing 2,000 Rands in 12 companies or 12 ETFs or 12 whatever that you want to. You can diversify your portfolio. Of course, you can have 4 ETFs, 4 equity stocks or shares, and 4 portfolios or 2 portfolios or baskets, then 2 ETNs. Just diversify your portfolio so that you can, when the market crashes and affects other companies, you are still okay. So you do that for the next 20 years. So in each portfolio or company or whatever that you have invested in, so I'm guessing wait, it's 40 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, I'm calculating it wrong. So it's 40 times 12 companies. 40 times 12 companies. Yes, it's 480,000. So you can imagine that in each company you have invested or saved 40,000 Rands in the next 20 years. So that means that whether we like it or not, you have 500,000 rands that is like you are in total control over. So if you are interested in taking it out and giving it to another person to be able to invest it for you, I'm talking about a person who's registered by FISCA. So you can do that and you can make more profit. Okay, so guys, that is it from me. I'm sure you've been seeing signs that say subscribe. Please do subscribe and hit that notification button. And I hope that you have learned something. I hope that you got some more information, and you can grow in your finances. Guys, I'm not here to trick you. People that do forex and all that, they will trick you, and at the end of the day, you see people driving cars, and that's your money. So I'm not here to trick you. I'm here to give you information that will help you to be able to invest for yourself and be able to grow financially and have total control over your money. So you can give this information to your children as well. You can tell them to subscribe and hit the notification button and learn from all the tutorials that I'm giving and the arguments that I'm making regarding forex trading, and all that, because I'm not a fan of forex trading and cryptocurrency. At the end of the day, it's a risky business. But when it comes to shares and all that, there are people that are running the company that you have invested in. And I hope that you understand that. There are people that are running the company that you have invested in, and those people, they can tell you what happened for the company to fall down or get liquidated or whatever. But other than that, I believe that when you do your research and see find the companies that you want to invest in, and invest in it, you know that it is my decision. So when you give it to people that do forex trading and all that, and they buy currency, and what you lost your money, and others are just stealing your money and running away. Remember, there's a guy that they arrested in Cape Town. So I'm teaching you to be safe, and that's why EasyEquities exists, so that we can be able to be safe and be able to invest money and be able to leave a legacy for our children. Remember, I can invest right now 10,000 rand for the next 10 years without any worries, and the company might go up and it might go very low, it might go very high, and so forth. But at the end of the day, when I'm ready to take it out, I will take out a lump sum of money when I'm ready. And if it's a company that's paying off dividends, I can make money through those dividends and be able to build a life, and so forth. So that's why I'm all about retiring early. So I want to encourage you guys, don't focus on these things, forex. Just focus on shares, focus on the things that I'm teaching you. And also you can find a person who's registered with FISCA and be able to get more information and know where and how to invest. So guys, that is me. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and enjoy your weekend. Da, 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 da.